Another morning, another coffee. Yes, sir. The report will be on your desk by noon.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, please go ahead.
The Art of Living Well. I'm Eleanor, and judging by that sigh when you walked in, you might need this more than I do.
That obvious, huh? I'm Adrian, and you're probably right.
Let me guess, corporate job, routine life, wondering if this is all there is?
Are you psychic or just good at reading people?
Neither. I'm a historian. I spend my days reading about people who lived extraordinary lives
While you what?
While I sit in my study, reading about their adventures instead of having my own.
Sounds like we're both stuck. Want to grab a coffee?
Did you know that in ancient Greece they believed movement was essential to philosophy? They'd walk while they discussed life's big questions.
Really? The most walking I do is to the printer.
Then let's change that. Meet me tomorrow morning, Hyde Park, 7 a.m.
You're serious?
Completely. Bring comfortable shoes.
I can't believe I'm doing this.
Just walk with me. Tell me about your life.
So remind me again why 7 a.m. is the only acceptable time for these constitutional walks.
Because the city hasn't fully woken up yet. It's just us, the birds, and the occasional overly enthusiastic dog walker. Besides, it sets the tone for the whole day.
It sets the tone for a very tired day.
You know, my friend Charlotte should join us. She's an artist, incredibly talented, but she's been in a bit of a rut lately. Needs a change of scenery, I think.
Another convert to the early morning brigade. Are you running some kind of recruitment scheme?
Maybe. Consider it an expansion of our philosophical society.
The colors here. I've lived in London my whole life, and I've never really seen it like this before.
Speaking of being stuck inside, anyone up for a light jog? I'm starting to feel like I'm wasting my prime athletic years just strolling.
Remember when we first met, Adrian? You looked like you were carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders.
And you were hiding behind your books, afraid to step outside the pages. Look at us now.
It's more than just exercise, isn't it? It's like we've created our own little moving philosophy club.
That's exactly what it is. We're living history, not just reading about it.
To movement.
To living well.
You know, we never did buy that book.
We didn't need it. We wrote our own story instead.
One step at a time.